Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. I can't believe it. It's like the last day to vlog. It feels so weird. I might do one tomorrow just because it's Christmas and how can I not show you how fun Christmas is? I just loaded up the car with all the gifts. We're going to Matt's sister's house right now so we can do Christmas with them. They're going to their dad's for Christmas, so we're doing Christmas with the girls, my niecey poos, today. Here she comes. We're at the store right now. We had to grab some things that I couldn't find at the store last night, but our nephew's working here and he's so cute. He's at the meat market.
Look how cute he is with his little hat.
So we just got home from Kristen's and I was gonna do some cleaning up for tomorrow's brunch we're having with my family here. And I wanted to make Matt and I like a little snack before we head out to church in a couple hours. It's something that I've shared. It's super, super yummy and like really, really easy to do. But while doing it, I stabbed myself in the hand. There's these yummy little Brazzy bites. They're the Brazilian cheese breads. They're so good. So I have them baking in the oven right now. And then you cook up some sausages. These ones are fun ones I just got at Costco. They're like spicy something, but they were delicious. You slice these up in little slices and you put a little toothpick in it and then you stick it in the cheese and it's yummy. I'll show you later when they're done. But sometimes they get stuck together like this. And I was taking a knife and just like wedging it in between. Usually they pop off like super easily. I don't know what happened, but the one I was doing was like super stronger than normal and then it finally popped. The knife just went straight into my hand. I was like, I think I just stabbed myself. And I did. And then, because it went in and I pulled it right out. Like it wasn't like the knife was just in my hand. I'm pretty sure it hit bone. Ugh, it probably hit, I don't know. It's just a small little gash like this big. I grabbed a paper towel and I instantly put pressure on it. I was like, Matt, I did something. And so he bandaged me all up. We don't have any butterfly bandages left in our first aid kits. We have 2 and we have no butterfly band-aids. On the way to church, we're gonna stop at the store and get me some butterfly band-aids. I can't believe I freaking did that. Stupid things. What can you do? So this is what I do with them for making a little appetizer. They're super yummy and you can use any kind of sausage you want. This one just happens to be a spicy one I tried at Costco the other day, but super fun, super easy. But yeah, I still stabbed myself. And we're on paper plates because yeah, the dishwasher, it's on the fritz. I lit myself a little Christmas candle while I tackle these dishes. The dishwasher guy's not coming till next Thursday. No. But Ashley, you've stabbed your hand. How do you plan on doing dishes? Well, I usually wear gloves and it feels just more bruised right now than anything. And I'm not really using it that much and I'm kind of keeping it cupped like this. So we'll see how it goes. Merry Christmas Eve to me. So we are gonna get ready to head out. I don't actually think we're gonna go to church though. Actually, I know we're not gonna go to church because we probably have to be leaving right now and we're not leaving. We just have a lot of little things to get done before tomorrow. We're having my family over for brunch. So we just have stuff to do and our church is like all the way over on this city and then we're going to Matt's sister's house that's over here. So this way we have a little extra time to get things done and then we can just head to Matt's sister's house. But I've had this makeup on since like 7:30 a.m. and I kind of just want to touch it up. I was thinking earlier that I might redo it, but with my hand situation, I don't really want to do that. So we're just going to touch up our makeup and I was just going to show you how I do that real quick. So I make my own foundation using 2 different colors. So I take the lightest one and I put a little bit on my finger and then I just use my other finger and just put it in the places that I want to lighten and conceal. Now the key is here is I'm not trying to cover up any of my blush or my contouring or my eyeshadow necessarily that I did earlier. I just want to like highlight the areas that you usually highlight and that usually fade the fastest when you wear makeup throughout the day. So now we're going to add my favorite translucent powder, Physicians Formula. And this will just help any shininess that has happened throughout the day. I do lose a little bit of color, so I do add a little bit of color back in. For instance, on my cheeks, I just take the brush and I use the residual that's on it and add some color back in. And then I'll take my eyeshadow brush. This is not the Eco Tools one. This is my normal one just because I'm touching up my makeup. And I just know that this brush does a really good job of this. The other ones are so fluffy that I just don't think it's gonna get the color as close and dark enough to my eye that I want right now. So this has the residual. This one always has the darkest color on it. This is what I use for my dark colors. So I'm just gonna go below the eye, maybe a little bit above, just to add some depth back into my face. There you go. And then if anything falls, just use your brush, put it away. Then I'm gonna use my Lumify eye drops that I've been obsessed with that turn your eyes like magically, completely crystal white. Crystal white, is that a thing? Do I wanna say like Snow White? I don't know. They turn them white. And since I was up so late last night, I definitely could use these bad boys. Just a little tear. Can't believe I didn't cry at all today when I stabbed myself in the hand. Then I'm gonna do my little white eyeliner trick. Highlight we had added earlier is just now completely gone because I went in with some foundation, I put translucent powder over it, a little bit more blush, so now it's completely gone, so let's add some more. And then it's at this point I check my eyelashes just to see how they're hanging on, because sometimes they could come a little bit loose, you never know. This one could be a little bit more up, and this one could be a little bit more solidly connected. So I'm just going to go in and reinforce. Sometimes use a bobby pin. I'm just using a clip today to get close in.
Hey, love?
Yeah?
How's your cut?
Bleeding and it hurts just a little bit. Yeah, hold on. Can I finish doing my eye? Hold on. And then you just wait for it to get a little tacky and you push it up in. Okay, then I can reset my makeup and add mascara. So I am trying to figure out what shoes to wear, and I really want to wear my like knee-high boots that are flats. But my only problem is that I've been looking for a new pair because mine are just like really old. Matt got these for me like when we were dating, like, I don't know, the third or second Christmas we were together, I think. They're just getting like worn out, like missing some spots. Right? They're just old. So I really want to wear them, but hold, let me find the other pair. Hold on. You can see this, you know? So what I'm doing is, now you could barely see it on the toe anymore. This used to be like a tan color, but I took a Sharpie and I colored it in. And that's what I'm doing with the rest of the shoe. I mean, until I find the right pair, this is just gonna have to do. To the naked eye, it doesn't actually look that bad. The camera has way more detail. So whatever. Like, look at this now, and then I'll show you it in a second. I mean, come on, that looks like 100 times better, and no one's gonna know, well, except for you. But whatever, this will do until I get a new pair. So Sharpie on a black boot, black Sharpie on a black boot works pretty good. Life hack. Look, you would never really know. It's so new. Biggest lasagna I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's coming out. Oh, it looks so good. Where's the good girl? Hi, Zadie. Oh, hey, baby girl. Hi. We just got home from Christmas Eve dinner and I gave Matt his little Christmas Eve gift. It's been a tradition in my family where you get to open one gift on Christmas Eve and then you do the rest in the morning. So I gave him a little Christmas Eve gift, which was pajama pants, and I have the same exact pair, and then Sadie's collar is the exact same color. So we'll be little matching twinsies. We'll be matching triplets in the morning. So it'll be fun when we open up our presents. It's time to go to bed. Christmas is tomorrow.